Okay, that's recording now.
Oh, cheers.
Just 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, so, right. Who's got the battery? So we've got to go over the far side of the field then. Look, it's dropping.
Take off somewhere over here, right?
I mean, you look across there and you think, oh, that's a nice smooth patch.
Oh, tires come off.
Oh, quick fit!
Quick fit.
That looks a nice bit there, eh? Look at that bit there. See the way that's...
It's straight anyway. It's coming from that corner at the moment, so...
Right. Coming from that corner. Spitfire, right? Let's have a look at the battery power. 5.5. 5.1, that's enough. That's enough.
I think we need to point away from the cars.
We certainly need to point away from the cars, don't we? That is on, isn't it? I did switch it on. Yep. That's off. Minimum throttle. It's off anyway, Aid.
Okay.
You don't get a lot of room in these. Yeah, that was on better, don't it? Remember how we struggled with that? Right, let's just have a little try then. Switch that on. We'll check all the control surfaces. I sometimes think it's better with full rudder for takeoff, you know what I mean? If you've got a...
Well, when you tried it at Hopwood, what happened? It was just digging in. With nosing over, wasn't it?
It was, yeah. Well, you were there, weren't you?
No, the first time when we went on that 30 worked all right.
Yeah.
Got in a V8